Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tipo and I am a beauty influencer, posting my video every Friday, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. I want to show you how to get inner dewy glow. Most of the celebrities wears this makeup during the award show. So without wasting your time, let's begin. As always, I am taking care of my skin before applying my makeup. Starting with Mecca Cosmetica Hydrating Moisturizer for beautiful skin. And beautiful skin gives beautiful glow. And that's what we want today to achieve this look. I massage it all over my face to give a natural shine and glow. Around my eyes, I'm using Tatcha Silk Peony, which will take care of my all those wrinkles and dry skin, which is essential because when you apply the concealer around your eyes, it shouldn't be looking cakey. Using Leno Lip Balm for my chapped lips. Because we are going for glowy dewy look, I am using illuminating stick from Mecca Cosmetica to all over my face to give a natural and beautiful glow to my face. This stick makes your skin looks fresh, alive and never powdery or sweaty. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. I'm using eyelid primer before applying my eyeshadows. This is from Revlon Color Stay 24 Hours Wear. It comes in cream-like formula that melts away on my eyelids. Brighten up my under eye area and covers my fine lines. I'm using one of my favorite Pro Professional Pearl Primer from Benefit. This is Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette and I'm using Sierra color from top right corner and blending all over my top crease. Then I'm using shimmery shade from bottom right. I always apply shimmery eyeshadows with my fingers. As Vision point out, fingers are gentle on the eyelids and second it gives exact shade which is in the palette. Applying dark brown from bottom left corner on my outer V. This time just want to go glowy, so not applying any pencil but only tinted gel from Benefit. It will set my eyebrows on the place and the microfiber will fill up all my gaps. L'Oreal True Match a skincare infused foundation. This formula is enriched of hyaluronic acid to improve skin quality and looking more healthier looking skin. It has a golden pearl tone inside so gives me dewy glowy look. This time I am not setting up my concealer with powder. By using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer fulfill my need. It's super blendable concealer that instantly helps brighten, smoothen and give the skin a firmer, more lifted look. I'm applying inner and outer corner of my eyes because as I said, it's super pigmented. I want to highlight bridge of my nose and forehead and blending everything with my Temp Beauty blender. Now let's add some dimension. I'm going to be first using deeper shade of contour stick. It's from Sephora Color and Sculpt Stick. I'm using shade medium neon. When you are going for dewy glow, try to use cream or liquid products because they are the ones that are going to give you a dewy look. If you use more powder products, they can mattify your skin so there won't be any glow. I'm using Revlon So Fierce Chrome Ink Liquid Liner. This high intensity metallic pigment for luminous molten metal finish that lasts up to 24 hours. Adding more dimension to my eyes using Sephora Gel Eye Pencil, color black and tight lining my waterline. Finishing my eyes with using same eyeshadows which I have used. So they look symmetrical and powder shadow makes gel liner smudge proof. I have added lash color to my everyday makeup routine. The color make huge difference in the look of our lashes. It drawing the eye upwards and creating length and volume without adding 6 coats of mascara. I am coating my lashes with magnetic mascara from Benefit, which will give me extreme length. The video about this mascara is in I button. NARS Orgasm add healthy flush of color and glow with this lightweight silky formula that glides effortlessly into skin for sheer. It infused with Lux Oil, vitamin E to enhance skin radiance, and that's what we wanted for today's look. California Kissing Color Lip Balm shade Pink Rose from Benefit Cosmetic contains wild mango butter to help moisturize your lips. I'm adding a Lifter Gloss Hydrating Lip Gloss shade Pearl from Maybelline. Dewy Finish Setting Spray from NYX Cosmetic gives diamond perfect fresh makeup look. And this is my final look with high ponytail. Let me know if you want to know how to do high ponytail. I will make a separate video for it. See you all next week. Bye.